What's going on, everyone? We've got something new and exciting for you KLX110 rippers out there. These are the new primary drive aluminum rear sprockets. Now, the KLX110 has been around forever, and it is an awesome bike. Whether you're using it as your first step into the motorcycle world, or you're an adult and you're using it for pit bike racing or shenanigans with the boys, this is going to be an awesome option because there hasn't been a lot of rear sprocket options for that bike out. This is going to be awesome because it's going to give you more tooth count options as well as a huge weight savings. Now, when it comes to the construction of this sprocket, we used aircraft grade 7075 T6 aluminum. It's heat treated for the best strength possible, and it's CNC machined. Everything from these grooves that are meant to clean the dirt out from in between your chain and sprocket, to the way the mounting holes and these weight saving holes are put into this are CNC machined, so it's gonna be nice and precise. That's also gonna help with the fitment of this sprocket. Now, when we talk about aluminum sprockets, the first thing you've gotta know is how much weight this is gonna save you. Now, when it comes to the steel stock rear sprocket, this is a 38 tooth sprocket, and it comes in at 17 ounces. That's pretty heavy, again, for such a small sprocket. But when you check out the same 38 tooth sprocket in our primary drive aluminum, this is coming in at 7 ounces. That's a 10 ounce saving. That's 5/8 of a pound. That's gonna make a huge difference in the way that your bike feels, because with this is something your engine has to work to rotate. And with the lighter weight, it's gonna make your engine feel more lively. It's gonna snap to attention a little bit quicker. Now, you can think about the 10 ounce weight savings and think it's not very much, but I want you to consider this in the same way you would a flywheel weight. A flywheel weight, you add a couple ounces to your flywheel and it totally changes the way your engine feels. A sprocket does the same thing. Up to this point, there's not been a lot of offerings in sprocket counts outside of 37, 35, and 33 tooth counts. All of those are taller than the stock rear sprocket that comes on your bike, which is a 38. Now, taller gearing is going to give you more top speed, and that's great, but it's gonna hurt your acceleration. And with the 110s, where you're needing more punch a lot of the times, especially if you're an adult, the 37, 35, and 33 counts weren't gonna do it for you. These sprockets are still offered in those 33, 35, and 37, but then we've also got the stock 38 and a bigger 40 tooth option. That's gonna be the pit biker dream because that's gonna give you more oomph out of the corners with that lower gearing. These sprockets are awesome. You're gonna wanna click on the link below to get yours. And if it's time to pump up the volume, whether it's with different teeth or with this awesome lightweight change for your KLX110, this is exactly what you're gonna want. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.